Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your SOUNDCORE SPORT X20. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And after that you can click on your earbuds at the device list and we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. These earbuds are disconnected from your phone, so after that open the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. So we should have connection right here. Okay, it don't want to reconnect automatically, so again you can click at the device list here. If it didn't help you, we should remove and add this earbud. So close the charging case. Now click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Also click pairing device on your Android and after that open the charging case and press and hold at this button to enter pairing mode. Here we go. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and after that press and hold this button on your charging case for at least 10 seconds until this LED light starts flash white 3 times rapidly. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and firstly we should remove it. And also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. After hard reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!